The Villa Selvadolce in Bordighera, Liguria, overlooks the Gulf of Montecarlo, boasting a single-floor design that seamlessly blends with the landscape. Its 3 bedrooms, spacious living areas, and outdoor amenities like a patio, sun terrace, pool, and whirlpool create a holiday-like ambience with warm timber interiors, open glass fronts, and tropical elements. Situated in the hills, Villa Selvadolce embraces the Ligurian terraces, integrating with the steep landscape. Its stone facades open up to stunning views of the valley and sea. The house merges with nature via green roofs, stone walls, and a central patio acting as a link between inside and outside spaces. With a focus on natural lighting and ventilation, green courtyard gardens further enhance the living spaces. Inside, the open-plan living area features full-glazed fronts offering panoramic views of the pool, garden, valley, and sea. The kitchen is surrounded by internal gardens, ensuring a naturally illuminated living space. An outdoor patio serves as a relaxing spot for dining and lounging while enjoying breathtaking views. The house layout includes guest quarters, a master area extending to the pool deck, and service spaces illuminated by green skylight patios. Large windows blur the boundaries between interior and exterior, enhancing the sense of connection with nature. The interior design revolves around high-quality materials like timber, stone, and plaster, incorporating bespoke furniture and modulated systems for efficiency. Bedrooms feature efficient layouts with built-in wardrobes and unique designs, while bathrooms are adorned with natural stone and oak furniture. Skylight patios extend the bathroom experience, merging indoor and outdoor elements. The house design prioritizes sustainability, utilizing local materials, craftsmanship, and energy-efficient systems to align with Passivhaus standards, ensuring both environmental responsibility and superior comfort.